Adding a Visa gift card to your PlayStation account is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to accomplish this. Currently, there are two main types of PlayStation consoles, the PlayStation 5 and the PlayStation 4. I'll explain how to add a Visa gift card to both. Let's start with the PlayStation 5. First, navigate to the Settings menu. Within Settings, find and select Users and Accounts. From there, choose the account you want to add the gift card to. Next, proceed to Payment and Subscription. Within this section, you'll see an option for payment method. Select it, and then choose Add a Credit Debit Card. Enter the details of your Visa gift card. Once done, select Done. You'll also have the option to set this card as your default payment method for future transactions. For the PlayStation 4, the process is slightly different but equally simple. Begin by accessing the Settings menu. From there, navigate to Account Management, then Account Information and Wallet. Within this section, select Payment Methods. Choose Add a Credit Debit Card and input the details of your Visa gift card. That's all there is to it. Following these steps, you'll successfully add your Visa gift card to your PlayStation account, whether you're using a PS5 or a PS4.